What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we last uploaded a video, but today we're gonna be attending a truck meet that they're hosting here. It's called Rolling into Springs. Hopefully it's a good turnout and you get some good content and footage for you guys. I'm heading over now to my dad's house. We're gonna be taking the blue NBS as a truck meet. The OBS isn't quite ready to be a truck meet yet. It's pretty beat up right now, especially now that they stole my wing. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but they stole the 3-piece wing. Well, they just stole the centerpiece, so I took the corner pieces off. But it's whatever. Like I said, we're gonna head over there now and pick up the blue NBS. It should be pretty clean. I washed it, so if anything, we'll just give it a good wipe down with some detailing spray. And we're also gonna be picking up my brother. He's gonna be going with us. He's gonna be our cameraman. So you know we're gonna get that good footage today. I'll pick the camera back up once we're there. Alright guys, so it's currently 1:11, about a little less than an hour before the meet starts. Before we do head out, I want to give the truck a quick wipe down because it's a little dusty. Windows need to get cleaned as well. But other than that, I think the truck will be good. Day is pretty good for a truck meet. Honestly, it's not hot or cold, and we got like a little overcast, so we don't got the sun killing the shots. We do have my brother behind the camera. Shout out to him for helping us today. What's going on, guys? We'll probably time lapse us giving it a quick wipe down and see what else we get into before we head out. Alright guys, here's the final outcome. Truck is all clean now. Looking shiny again. Like I said, it wasn't dirty, so don't start talking smack in the comments that we scratched the truck. We were just giving it a quick wipe down. But there she is, good to go. I think this is gonna be her first big appearance. Hopefully it's a good outcome. Here's what I was telling you guys about. They stole my 3-piece wing. Don't mind the tailgate. They stole the piece that goes here along the middle. So I basically just took off the corner pieces. Like I said, it's whatever. It'll come back better here soon. Wish I could take both of them, but today it's just gonna be the NBS. The OBS is running a little rough. I need to go see a mechanic. We are gonna stop by a little dollar store here up the road. They do sell decals, and we're gonna try to get some. Hopefully it's open. I'm not really sure, honestly, but we're gonna swing by either way. And if it is, we're gonna pick up a decal for our YouTube channel so we can slap on the trucks. Hopefully that'll help us grow our channel. But if not, that'll be in the works either way, another day. Alright guys, so another quick stop. We're gonna fill up real quick. I looked up the address and it's just up the road, so. Before I forget, thank you guys for the 5K followers. We already surpassed 5K. I think we hit 5,100, I believe, today. So, yeah, thank you guys for supporting and sticking with us to this journey. It's just beginning for us. Hopefully there's a lot more to come. Hope our numbers go up and we can keep providing these videos for you guys. Alright, so let's head out. Let's roll.
Just another day in Albuquerque or what?
Savage level 9000. Not even quad on the street. Just another day in the hood. So it looks like it's pretty popping right now. I mean, for it being this early, go ahead and go by first and then we'll park.
That's funny.
Hey, that's static. Yeah, it feels pretty cool riding around in this truck. I mean, I don't take it out often, but when I do, we'll say what's up to you, and you get cool reactions. I guess they're tripping out because they see what was Joel's truck. Does get some recognition out here. There's your twin, Eric.
Oh, who brought my car? Put him on the vlog.
Homeboy wants to be on the vlog. Alright, so we just pulled up to the meet. Oh, brother. Hopefully it's a good turnout and cops don't come and crash the meet too quick.
Clean, yo.
It's only 1 entrance, 1 exit. It's gonna be fun getting out of here when it's time to go.
Damn. Burn the clutch.
Alright, so you guys can tell it's not all about trucks out here. We do have some nice cars that are pushing some power out here. There's a lot of Camaros, Mustangs, Bets, a little bit of everything.
Some nice little bottles right there.
Got 2 big old bottles back there. This type of wrap is really going around right now. I've seen a couple trucks with it. Looks like that's the thing right now. Alright, so cops are here. I guess meet's over. What can I say? I kind of figured it was going to happen, but it is what it is. We'll see if they send out a new location. If not, then we'll have to make a video with what we got.
Lasted a good hour and a half. Hey, at least we walked through it once.
Well, I guess it is what it is, guys. It's pretty much Albuquerque for you guys. We can never have anything nice or meets or anything like that. We'll see if they post another location. If not, oh god.
Oh god.
There's a party pooper, guys. I think I'm on the right way. Alright, so we were just pulling up to spot number 2. Right as we were gonna pull in, there was like 4 cops right behind us. They're already hauling ass down here, so the meet's pretty much over. I guess that's gonna be all the footage I got. Sadly, make what we have work for the video for you guys. Sorry we couldn't get more footage. Alright guys, so I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm sorry if it was a little short on content. As you guys saw, cops popped both of the locations, so there wasn't much that we could do. Before we do end today's video, I want to give today's comment shout out winner a shout out. Today's winner is gonna be, his username is Rock A. Shout out to you. Thank you for participating and commenting. If you want to win a shout out in the next video, be sure to drop a comment, and we'll be choosing a random winner next time.
Just another day in the hood.
Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed today's video, and share the video as well.
Drop a comment if you were at the meet.
Yeah, if you see yourself in there, drop a comment, or tag your friend in the video if you see your friend's truck, whatever.
Your dad's truck, maybe.
Your dad's truck. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys again for 5K. We're just on the road to more, hopefully, so thank you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one.